My favorite recipe is our hidden black bean brownies. When people hear about it, they think this is not gonna taste good. And once they taste it, they are sold. My name's Heather Nace. I am the Director of Operations for the Goldring Center for Culinary Medicine. We are the teaching kitchen for the School of Medicine. We work with all of the med students at Tulane, teaching them about nutrition by bringing them into the kitchen for hands-on cooking classes. We also get to work with the community, doing free community classes. A little later in life, I had decided that I wanted to go to culinary school because I really had a passion for cooking and nutrition. I had the opportunity to come here as an intern. One thing led to another, and here I am today. I love working with people. I love teaching, I love cooking, and I love showing people that good food that is healthy for you does not have to be bland or boring. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money. I know that the med students are gonna take this information and they're gonna put it into practice in their own lives, but it's also gonna be a ripple effect. So they're gonna continue to pass this along to all their future patients. And I just love what I do.